Today, our texts are taken from the readings of Friday after Easter. Is the Octave of Easter. And we are going to comment on the text of the Gospel of John, chapter 21, verses 1 to 14. To begin, it is good to know that the following days of Easter till Pentecost are days of the apparitions. And during these days, our attention is drawn on the apparitions of Jesus to his disciples, and also to the witness of the apostles to this resurrection of Jesus. Now today in the Gospel, St. John the Evangelist tells us of another appearance of the risen Jesus to his disciples. This after the resurrection. The apparition takes place by the Sea of Tiberias. Jesus reveals himself to the disciples while they are very busy fishing. Notice how he stood on the beach, but they did not recognize him. They recognized him because he gave them orientations on how to catch fish. This gesture reminded them of the miraculous fishing that he did with them during his lifetime. Then, on the seashore, Jesus cooked breakfast for the disciples, and they ate a good meal with him. Now, this meal was bread and fish. Again, this meal reminded them of the Last Supper that he ate with them in the upper room on Holy Thursday night. It also reminded them of his instruction to repeat that sacred action in remembrance of him. Now, in short, the disciples recognized Jesus on giving them the instruction on how to catch fish and on sharing a meal with them. The message of John the Evangelist in this story is, yes, Jesus is alive. Jesus is risen from the dead. And the evidence for this is that after his resurrection, he has appeared to many people, including Simon Peter, including Thomas the twin, John the beloved disciple, and to many others. So this is the evidence that we are given. On this evidence, John is calling his audience and us today to believe and to take the resurrection of Jesus seriously. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.